Welcome to Suraj KR YouTube channel.
Be a good speaker. Today's topic is friendship. Let's start.
Honorable President, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends, today I am going to express my inner thought regarding the topic friendship. Man lives in the society. He can't live alone. He likes to mix with others. Such mixing or attachment is called friendship. A friend is always needed to share joy and sorrow. Happiness increases if our friends join with us. Friendship makes life sweet and tolerable. Friends are of two types. Some are fair weather friends. They join us in prosperity. They leave us when we are in adversity. They come to us to fulfill their selfish motive. After the period of prosperity, they forget us. They go to make friendship with others. But a true friend is a gift of God. A true friend gives good advice. He saves the life of his friend in danger. It is said that a friend in need is a friend indeed. We should be careful while selecting friends. We will have to make the right choice of friends. Friendship is divine. We must be true to our friends. A man's character is known by the company he keeps. Wrong choice of friends may ruin us. Speaking this, I remain thanking you all.
अगर ये वीडियो आप सभी को पसंद आया, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर।